Happy Thursday. I'm Neil.
What's up, guys? And I'm Ryan, and today we wanted to talk about, we keep beating this whole thing about how mortgage payments stay the same and rents go on the rise, but one of the coolest things is Neil was telling me a story today about how it was his first, it was actually your second house, wasn't it? His second house, and he's going to tell a quick story. You bought that house in what year?
1993.
1993, and its value was what?
$270.
$270. You sold it 10 years later, right?
For $440.
2003 for $440,000. Here's the cool thing about this, guys. That's $165,000 of equity in 10 years. In 10 years, he went from zero to $165,000. We'll just say it's somewhere right there. In 10 years because of equity. When you're paying rent, you get zero equity.
And let's say I put down 5%. I put down way more than that. But let's say I only put 5% down. So that would be 15. So not only do I have that 165, what did you say?
That was just
165 value of equity that I earned, all the money that I paid down on the mortgage. So I have my 15 plus more. So instead of 165, I don't remember, I can get exact paperwork. I walked away with way over $200,000 for 10 years.
Remember, this is just equity from the house value. In fact, that's the even better part about it. He gained $165,000 just in value from the sale of the house.
Just owning it. Just owning it. When you rent for 10 years, what do you get when you walk out?
Nothing.
You get probably a kick from somebody.
Yeah, could you hurry up and get out?
Get out. We're moving, somebody else is moving into this apartment. You get nothing. Nothing. And this is what we keep striving to tell you to stress. It's so important to buy something and not to wait, because the longer you wait, the worse it's going to be.
And that's the whole point, guys. We were just looking at, there was another report that I just put out. It was Core Logic, and they were saying, yes, there are some prices or some houses that are overpriced. But for the long haul, they're going to A, keep going up, and B, you're not going to see a bubble burst because there's still such a shortage of houses in the market for people that are looking to buy. So remember, while there's people sitting on the sideline that are still paying rent, and we've talked about how rents have gone up, sometimes $200, $300, $400 a month, you could be locked in a mortgage, which, yes, maybe that is a little higher than what you wanted to, or maybe it's a little higher than what you think you should pay for that house. But if it's locked in, and you immediately start getting value through the equity of the property, more so just because the value of the house goes up, and even if that levels off, you're still paying down the debt. It's a win-win scenario for you.
And just remember, it might not be your forever home. I had this conversation with somebody today. It took me 3 houses to finally, when I did this, I finally moved into my forever home. So what I'm saying is,
until he buys in California.
Get in a home now.
So that's it, guys. We wanted to just, again, build all the, the excitement for you. I just had another girl. She's so excited because she thought she didn't qualify. And here's why. Because in the area where she lives, people aren't used to buying. They're told they can't buy. You're not going to qualify. You shouldn't even try. Guess what? She qualifies. She's sending in her docs. Everything is good, and she's so excited. So if you want to have the same experience, if you want to be a part of the movement, if you want to be a part of the change where people start realizing you can do well, you can live a better life, give us a call. We don't have to pull your credit.
For your family. This is what it's all about for your family.
We will never deny you. We will never deny you. The lender may deny you at the moment. We will never deny you. If you don't qualify today, we'll teach you and show you what you need to know so that you can qualify tomorrow or even next year. But the point is, you have to start, because you don't know where you have to go or what you have to do until you give us a call. So give us a call. Let's figure out where your situation is, and let's help get you on track so that you can start buying a house for yourself. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome day.
He said it right.